Once the fixtures and surfaces have been pressure rinsed, we're ready for the next step in the simple process. L stands for loop the spray line. Before we loop the spray line back onto the system, if you haven't already, turn the pump off and then point the gun down and squeeze the trigger to release any water pressure still in the line. Lock the safety valve on the spray line and set the gun aside. We'll use a simple technique we call the right-hand rule to help keep the hose clean and keep you from bending over excessively. To begin, grab a smart towel, fold it neatly, and place it in your right hand. Now, with the towel in your hand, grab the spray line with your right hand and fully extend your arm. Grab the spray line near the system with your left hand and point your thumbs together. Next, bring your hands together, forming a loop with the spray line. Now hook the spray line on the bottom horn and bring the line up and over the top hook in a figure 8 pattern. Extend your right arm fully, wiping the line with the towel as you extend your arm. Grab with the left hand, bring your hands together to form a loop, and repeat the process until the spray line is neatly wrapped on the system. Looping the spray line in a figure 8 pattern will help prevent tangling when you unwrap the spray line. Once the spray line has been wrapped, we're ready to vacuum the cleaning solution from the floor. In the next video module, we'll cover the letter E, which stands for extract and dry.